Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my Archer and Olive planner that I started using for work in mid-June, and this was actually a collaboration between Amy Tangerine and Archer and Olive, and I wanted to start doing something different for work because I felt like the Happy Planner hourly plus doing the daily pages was just a bit too much for me. So I wanted to simplify my overall system. So I'm going to take you guys through a flip through of all the spreads I've done since mid-June. So at the beginning of the planner, there are actually some dot grid pages that I have been using for notes, for trainings and things like that, and there's still quite a few. And then you have the monthly page. I do not use the monthly spread for anything for work. And then this is the first week. This was June 7th, and I used the friendship stickers from the Happy Planner along with my mild liners, and it actually turned out really cute, and it was very, very functional for me. The following week I used the new Disney stickers from the Happy Planner along with more mild liners. Really, really cute spread, and I was really finding my way with everything. Then this week of June 21st through to the 25th, I used the flower sticker book, there's so many flower sticker books, but I love this particular one because I also added in the grid washi from the washi tape shop, and I felt like I really was getting my groove and using this planner to the best of my ability. Then, because I was already at the end of June, I really should have used this week, but I decided to, gosh, there were 2 weeks empty. I decided to skip to the following month to start the 28th of June. I really don't know why I did that. The 28th of June in a new month. And this was using a kit from the GP Sticker Studio. And I've had this kit for quite a few years, but I was also in that mindset of I want to use my stash. And I mixed it with some of the green. This is new Tombow dual brush pens. And this was kind of a lighter spread in terms of the amount of notes that I was taking, but I still had plenty of room for everything. It doesn't feel overwhelming, and it feels still very fun yet functional. I don't know where that pink dot came from. I can't seem to take that off. And then the following week, I used another flower sticker book from the Happy Planner with different mild liners and Tombow brush pens, and I really love adding the washi in here. The washi, I think, just adds so much to the spread, and I tried to do the meeting headers slightly differently. What was I doing? Oh, the reason that I was like, why was that Monday so different without any meetings? That was the Monday after the 4th of July where the rest of the US supervisors were off because I'm in Canada. I had Canada Day off, so I worked on the Monday, and I just caught up on a whole bunch of things, which was actually nice not to have so many meetings. And then if you guys aren't really familiar, I really just put all of my meetings up here, put all of my tasks and to-dos, and then any notes here, and it has worked so well for me. Then the following week, July 12th onwards, this is the Leafy stickers from According to Allie, and I combined it with her Leafy washi along with date covers from Mimi Rose Co., which I don't think is a shop that is open anymore. But I just love the combination and the layering of this whole spread. It's so fun and very functional. I keep saying that, fun and functional. I'm having fun decorating my work planner again. Then this is July 19th, where I used some more stickers from According to Allie. So I used her florals as well as her pink alcohol ink, and then washi from her shop as well. I love the pink and the gray together because it feels very sophisticated and still very functional. Very, very functional. I'm really liking how this is a very easy spread for me to decorate. It's still, like I said, I keep repeating myself, but very functional because I can see all my meetings. I can see all the tasks that I need to do, and there's a place for notes that I can see all week. I don't have to flip to a different day like I had to do before with my dailies. Everything is in one spread, which is what I really like. And then notes pages in the back. Again, I didn't use the monthly spread. And then this was the last week of July 26th onwards, and I used the Dream Seeker sticker book with some sample washi from Simply Gilded, some more of that grid washi from the washi tape shop, as well as my Tombow dual brush pens. And This is one of my favorite sticker books. I didn't need my notes section as much this week because, to be honest, when I have a ton of coaching meetings, I don't take a lot of notes for those. I'm basically writing emails and shooting emails off. So I didn't need to take as many notes in here, but I really like the look of this. And then next week's spread is there. I didn't do a spread for August, 2nd and onwards because I was on PTO this week, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you next week's spread. But this is what my planner looks like so far. So I've been able to take you through the last few months and last couple of months, and I really like the way, actually those blank pages are going to bug me, but I really like how this has become so functional for me, and I really believe that this will become my work planner in the future and possibly 2022. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.